Hello guys, you use my phone Tecno Camon 12 Air. This version 3GB RAM memory and 32GB internal memory. Okay, start unpacking. Look completion. In completion we have protective back cover, quick guides on this, and this we have headphones, USB, micro USB cable and adapter for charging. Okay. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.6 inch display. On this side we have slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. On downside headphones, jack, speaker, microphone and micro USB port. Turn on device. IPS display, HD resolution. Open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. CPU MediaTek 6761, this quad-core processor. GPU, resolution and display PPA. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Okay, Antutu score. Close this and run GTA San Andreas. Demanding game. Look how GTA San Andreas work on medium graphic level. On high graphic level we have legs, options, okay, medium graphic level, resume. Game load, and on this level works very good. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main 16 megapixel camera plus 5 plus 2 megapixels. This triple camera. I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.